Speak on it, yo left. Speak on it, yo left. Speak on it, yo left. Speak on it.
Hey, what's up, y'all? What's up, y'all? It's your boy Les, Addition to Wow, back again. All right, y'all. I got this called Mr. Bubbles. Everybody know about Mr. Bubbles. You know, sometimes if you leave it out too long and water get into it, or you know where I'm at with salt water and stuff though, it get all rusted out. You know what I'm saying? Everything get rusted out. So I'm gonna show you something. What I'm using is like this. Okay, as you can see, I'm gonna show you something. Look. Right now you hear it's on. You hear how it's on? It's on and everything, alright? Now I'm gonna turn it off. Now, what I'm using is, as you can see, it's aluminum in there. As you can see, this aluminum in there and all that stuff. And you know, I put that aluminum up in there because it got rusted out bad. So it make its own conductor and all that stuff though, because it got rusted. As you can see how rusted that thing is in there. If you can see how rusted everything is in there. And I take the aluminum and put it over the old conductor and all that stuff. So you know what I'm saying? So you just put them in there. Boom. Boom. And as you hear it, look. That's all you gotta do, man. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like, you know what I'm saying? Like, a lot of people, they feel like, oh, it's rusted out, I'm gonna throw it away, it's over with. You know what I'm saying? You spend the money on them stuff, you don't have to do that. Only you gotta do is get you some aluminum foil, cover the old conductors on our set. Some people, they try to get like something to scrape it, but sometimes it don't work, and sometimes they break the prong and everything else. So all you do, take aluminum foil, take the aluminum foil, put over the conductors and stuff though, and you put them in there and stuff though, and then it's like new, you know, so you still keep using it. Like, see right there, all right there, baby, you see that, you hear it, it's still working like good though, man, you know what I'm saying? And you see how rusty that thing is, you know what I'm saying? It's rusted like crazy and stuff. And a lot of people like, man, like, and I gotta go get me a new one, man. I'll go back to Walmart or whether I gotta go get me a new one. I'm getting tired of paying for these things. They be rusted up, whatever. Sometimes, man, weather get into it and water get in there. It's time before, I remember my kid put it on the bucket and they put it on backward and it fell in the water and all that stuff though. You know what I'm saying? Over time, it rust out and stuff. And you be like, yo, man, I ain't gonna keep buying these things, whatever. But I just want to show people, you know what I'm saying, how to, you know what I'm saying, keep you Mr. Bubbles alive again. Mr. Bubble alive again, and keep working for y'all and all that stuff, for you don't have to waste money. You know what I'm saying? I'm about saving money. You know, it's your boy Addition to the Wow. If I'm trying to save some money, I'm gonna save some money. So you know what I'm saying? So I got some more videos I'm gonna do how to save money, things you can do, because hey, how time is and that COVID and everything hitting everything. Sometimes we gotta save money some type of way, and I'm your boy right here, your boy Les. You know what I'm saying? So that's a good thing to tell y'all out there how to do it. Remember who told you? Your boy Les. Peace out, y'all. All right.
Speak on it, yo left. Speak on it, yo left. Speak on it, yo left.